A.
Piss take.
Production.
In the case that your dipstick fails on the Suzuki DRZ, this rod will fall into the frame of the bike. So mine fell, and it just fell in down there, and it was half jammed in the frame, within the frame. So there's a tool that you can use to get it out. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the end. I'm trying to hold this. Okay, let's just go like that. The claw, and you just feed that down the hole, and I managed to grab onto it, but in my case, as I held it and brought it back up, it slipped and fell. I highly recommend that you undo this lower bolt here, because if you do lose don't grab that metal rod, it'll fall, and because it fell and I had this open, it actually fell straight through into the oil. So there you go. If you guys ever have your dipstick fall off into the frame of the bike, that's the trick to get it out. The funny thing is, as I got hold of that metal dipstick, it fell through the hole like MJ shooting a three-pointer in the NBA. So that was just pure luck. Thanks for watching.